Hello, my friends. I am here today to share with you one of my newest projects, which will be available as a class in March in person at my studio or available as a kit for you to take and make. So it is based on a folio that I found that I really liked. And so we will be using that as our base. And then you will get everything that you see here to complete the album. All right, so you've got, it's a 6x6 to start with. Okay, and you get not you get, sorry, it has a small spine here. It's not a large book, as in very, very thick. It's smaller, so it's really nice to put together to give to somebody. And I love these little bunnies at the back with their little bunny butts. So pretty much everything that you see that's used to embellish the book is done with the Cricut. And you get all of those cuts. You get all of the paper, which is from the upcoming Honey Bunny collection from Close to My Heart. And it's this pattern on one side of the paper and this beautiful yellow polka dotted paper on the other side. So you can decide how you want to pattern this. All right. So yeah, so you get the title, you get all this pre-cut paper for the spine and the back, plus the little bunnies. And then inside, oh my gosh, I just love this. Okay, we got our three little bunnies here. Oops. That black stuff there. I trimmed it after I put it together, and now I've got all these little edges here. Okay, so there are two pockets on this side. There's one main pocket here, plus fold up here, and this is like a little pouch. Okay, and there is dimension to that. You can see here. Now, the kit does come with a strap, but I really didn't like the strap. I don't know, it didn't work for me, but you'll get it in the kit and you can make your own decision there. All right, so you get this cute little bunny tag, which you can put a small photo on, or you can use that for some journaling or whatever you like. And then you've got this cute tag, a little bit bigger. All right, and I love these little butterflies. It's just so springy. And then again, you've got room here for photos, for journaling, whatever really you like. And then here I've given you some bigger pieces right in the top pocket. Okay, and they coordinate. They've got all the colors that are in the butterfly paper. You get three of them. And then these cute little tabs. Just love them. So you can arrange those whatever way you like. You can put them in this way or this way, like whatever way you want. Okay, and then on this side, you get, let's see, we'll start with this one. Really cute little fold out file folder. Okay, that'd be really cute to add a little note in there if you want to keep it a little more personal. And you've got another little cute one. Now I put the lines on myself, but you could use this for photos, whatever you like. And then this teeny tiny little tag. All right, and then this great big one. All right, now you will get the white insert. You will additionally, besides your adhesives, will need a black journaling pen. I chose to do the messy squiggles that look like sewing. All right, and then I did this on the other side. So you could do some journaling here. You could put a photo here, whatever you like. You could even add some colored tabs here on top if you want. Just glue your paper on and cut it around the outside edge. All right. Okay, so I'm just going to put this all back together. And then I'm going to show you this inside piece. All right, so you open it up. Now you could, if you wanted, add something here or here. Okay, I had to leave you a little room for creativity as well. And then inside you get this little pouch. It says Hello Sunshine. Okay, you get some little puffy hearts. Whoops. Oh, darn it. I didn't glue that down properly. My bad. All right, and again, I've used the stitched with the squigglies. Okay, and I did the same on the back. Now you could add this journaling here or photos, whatever. There's room for lots of photos here. You open it up, and what I did was I put in 4 2x2 photos. Okay, but there's just lots of room for your own creativity in here. Okay, so that is basically it, and it finishes up with these little bunny butts. It is so adorable. All right, so you can let me know if you are interested in signing up for the class, which is coming in March. Don't have a date yet, but I will be soon. And if you're interested in purchasing a kit, and the cost for the class will be $18, right? And the cost for the kit is $15, a plus shipping if you need to have it mailed out to you, which shouldn't be too much. I imagine it wouldn't be over $5, probably less than that. Okay, that is it. I will leave all of my contact information in the description, and you can contact me and let me know if you have any questions about this. And don't forget to hit the like button, or the like button down there. Talk to you soon.